let's make this roux for our gumbo. There's our homemade dark roux. Yes. We're gonna be using, well, first let's turn a cast iron skillet. Gotta have a cast iron skillet. I'm gonna turn that on pretty high. 1 cup of vegetable oil. Let that get warm. And to this, we'll be adding slowly, a little at a time, 2 cups of all-purpose flour. And at the very end, I have half of a white onion, which is chilled. I pre-diced that. So let that get hot, and we'll continue. Get comfy, make sure everybody's happy, go to the bathroom, do whatever you gotta do, wash your hands. And once we start this, adding the flour and everything, you're stuck here, you're living here, you're going nowhere. Are we ready? Yes, we're ready. A little bit of flour at a time. Have a nice heavy-duty spoon here. You don't want plastic. And we can't stop stirring. I don't want to have to start over. Do you? I hope not. So when I make a roux, I like to do, in most situations, 1 part oil to 2 parts flour. Oil, butter, lard, whatever it is you're using. 1 to 2. Make sure you're scraping the sides and the bottom. Do remember this is really hot. Don't stick your fingers in there. Now for chicken and sausage gumbo, we want a dark roux. We're still stirring. We're waiting on it to thicken up and brown. Now once we get to where we're looking almost like this, we do want to leave it just a little bit, but not for long. It's gonna smell like you're burning breakfast, but we're basically burning flour. We're wanting it to get clumpy and brown. And not burn it. So I love this handle, by the way. It's like a little pot holder for my cast iron skillet. Yeah, it definitely smells like roux. That's pretty good. Just turn the heat off. Just take it off the heat. And we'll do the next step. Oh, it's going to continue to cook even off the heat. So keep stirring it.
With like glass plate put it in?
No. It's going to stay in here because it's going to be hot for a little while. Yeah, I got half of that diced up white onion. It's about, I don't know, half cup. We're not making a whole lot of roux today. Add that to it. And so the onion is going to cool down the roux while the roux, the hot grease in it, is cooking the onion. Keep stirring it. And there's our roux. It's still hot. Don't touch it. put it way over there for now. There's our homemade dark roux. Yes. Let's make some gumbo. So yummy. So delicious. Everybody, please like and subscribe and hang on because we're making bread pudding to go with it.